Okay, it looks like I totally forgot to do question number 24. So A is 4, B is negative 13, and C is 3. We're going to use a quadratic formula. So X equals the opposite of B, which is 13, plus or minus the square root of negative 13 squared minus 4 times A, which is 4, times C, which is 3, all divided by 2 times 4. I'm going to plug that part underneath the radical called the discriminant into my Desmos calculator. When I put that in my calculator, I ended up getting that X is equal to 13 plus or minus 11. The square root of 121, which is 11, all over 8. So that becomes 13 plus or minus 11 over 8. So I do have to do that twice. 13 plus 11 over 8, which is 24 over 8, or 3. And then I do 13 minus 11 over 8, which is 2 over 8, or 1/4. So I get 3 and 1/4. I can always graph this too, which might have been a better way to start out, and graph it to see if you can come up with a solution. You could also have factored this. The other way I could have done this is I could have graphed it on Desmos. And when I graph that, you can see that the X values are at 3 and at 0.25, which you'll need to know is 1/4. You could also factor this, but that might be one of the harder ways to do it. So either of those would work.